Today we're going to look at this. T-brake.
Hiya, Mids 1970 here. Now, if you've got an NG crane and it's a fold-up one like this one, you'll probably know that these legs flap about a lot when you're trying to push it around. So you're either going to trap your fingers or smack yourself in the face. So with a bit of spare angle line, I'm going to make myself a bracket that fits on here, and then using the spare pins that hold the legs up, we can hold these in place and hold them solid. This is really good. This is so much safer now than it ever was, and it means I can push it around wherever I like, and I'm certainly not at any risk of injuring myself while I do it. It's a shame that these don't actually come with this bracket already fitted from the manufacturer, but then again, they're just saving money, I suppose. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little episode, and please remember, if you do enjoy my videos, to like and subscribe, and tell your friends as well. Got lots more coming up in the future, so hopefully I'll see you again really soon. Bye bye for now.